Learn English with practice. Welcome to all.
I'm reading. I'm not reading. Am I reading? Am I reading? What am I reading? What am not I reading? Why am I reading? Why am not I reading? How am I reading? How am not I reading? Where am I reading? Where am not I reading? Who is reading? Who is not reading? Who are reading? Who are not reading? Whom am I seeing? Whom am not I seeing? Which subject am I reading? Which subject am not I reading? Whose subject am I reading? Whose subject am not I reading? How many books am I reading? How many books am not I reading? How much water am I drinking? How much water am not I drinking? If you want to make other sentences, just change subject and add extension. The example of subjects. We are not learning. I am sleeping. Are we go? The example of verb. Rashid is going. How are they playing? How many books is Kareem reading? The example of extension. You are reading a book. What are you learning English every day? Who are speaking English? Why are not you talk to me?